Waiting in line, waiting in line. Waiting in line. Hey, do you have any my size? For me, big, extra large for me.
Extra large.
No.
Yes, we have extra large.
So where do I go to find? We're trying to find some clothes for me, and my able assistant here from Uniqlo says this. Can this fit me? I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, actually, might be. I think. Let me try it on. No, I can't try it on. Go there. 1 second. Be alright. Order. Okay, so apparently I have to go online, Uniqlo to shop. Thank you. What's your name? Yeah,
Shiori.
Shiori, my able assistant says I gotta go online because I'm too big. Yikes. Alright, thank you very much, Shiori. I gotta say much. Your English is very good. Two things I steal in Japan. They steal bicycles and umbrellas. So, umbrellas got keys and locks, bruh. See this? Crazy. Prized possessions. Yum yum. Yeah, so that's how we do it. You could
8個入りと6個入りと6、8こちらが8個、8、1、2、3、4、5、8これで6個入りで6個入りでじゃあ6個入ってこちらの梅おろしの6個入りでよろしいですか？こちらと同じこれですか？はい520円でございます。500と
20. This is exchange money. So I don't know what I just said, but I'm getting stuff. So now. Thank you. All the adornments. Is that wood shavings? これは何ですか? Katsuri. Fish?
Fish no.
Oh. What the hell is that? Looks like wood shavings from a wood shop. Ooh, here we go. Takoyaki. Dipping it all in. Yeah, let's go. Not bad, but the sauce, I'm not tasting anything. I don't know what's going on, but try again. One more time. Hope for the best. Completed this I guess bucket list. So maybe I didn't get it done right, I don't know, maybe I should have gotten mayo and soy sauce or some secret sauce, but it was just okay, it was blah. So next on the list is okonomiyaki. Yeah, so this is it. That's today. So share, retweet, revine, whatever you want to do. Get it out there. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Bye guys. See you next time. Bye.